Good morning, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the abbreviations. Our first abbreviation is ACMA, Automotive Component Manufacturer Association of India. ACMA. Second is ACRS, Accelerated Cost Recovery System. Accelerated Cost Recovery System. Third is ACT, ACT, Advanced Corporation Tax. Fourth is ADB, Asian Development Bank. Fifth is AEC, Asian Economic ASEAN Economic Community, ASEAN Economic Community, AEC. AEPS, Aadhaar Enabled Payment Switch, Aadhaar Enabled Payment Switch. AFS, Annual Financial Statement, AFS, Annual Financial Statement. AIFI, All India Financial Institution, All India Financial Institution, AIFI. AIOE, All India Organization of Employees, AIOE, All India Organization of Employees. ALM, Asset Liability Management, ALM, Asset Liability Management. AML, AML, Anti-Money Laundering, Anti-Money Laundering. ANBC, ANBC, Adjusted Net Bank Credit. ARM, Anti-Radiation Missile, ARM, Anti-Radiation Missile. AS, Accounting Standard. ASBA, Application Supported by Block Amount. ASBA, Application Supported by Block Amount. Block Amount. ASSOCHAM, 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 Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. ATAS, Alternative Train Adjustment Scheme, Alternative Train Adjustment Scheme, ATAS. B2B, Business to Business. B2C, Business to Consumer. B2G, Business to Government. BAFT, BAFT, Bankers Association for Finance and Trade, Bankers Association for Finance and Trade, BAFT. BBB, Bank Bureau, Bank Board Bureau. BBB, Bank Board Bureau. BCBS, BCBS, Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, BCBS, Basel Committee on Banking Supervision. BCSBI, BCSBI, Banking Codes and Standards Board of India, Banking Codes and Standard Board of India. BEAM, 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 Bigelow Expandable Activity Module, Bigelow, BIGELOW, Bigelow Expandable Activity Module. BER, Bank Exchange Rate, BER, Bank Exchange Rate. BFSI, BFSI, Banking Financial Service and Insurance, Banking Financial Services and Insurance. BIS, Bank for International Settlements, BIS, Bank for International Settlements. BOP, Balance of Payment. BPL, Below Poverty Line. BPLR, Benchmark Prime Lending Rate, BPLR, Benchmark Prime Lending Rate. BPSS, Board for Regulation and Supervision of Payment and Settlement System, Board for Regulation and Supervision of Payment and Settlement System, BPSS. BSCS, BSCS, Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, Basel Committee on Banking Supervision. BSCS, CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAG, CAIT, Confederation of All India Traders, CAIT, Confederation of All India Traders, CAPM, Capital Asset Pricing Model, CAPM, Capital Asset Pricing Model, CBLO, CBLO, Collateralized Borrowing and Lending Obligation, Collateralized Borrowing and Lending Obligation, CBLO, CBS, Core Banking Solution, CCIL, Clearing Corporation of India Limited, CCIL, Clearing Corporation of India Limited, CENVAT, 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 Central Value Added Tax, Central Value Added Tax, CENVAT, CGRA, Currency and Gold Revaluation Account, CGRA, Currency and Gold Revaluation Account, CII, Cost Inflation Index, CII, Cost Inflation Index, CIS, Cash Incentive Scheme, CIS, Cash Incentive Scheme, CPDO, Centralized Public Debt Office, CPDO, Centralized Public Debt Office, CPI-IW, Consumer Price Index for Industrial Workers, CPP, Current Purchasing Power, CPP, Current Purchasing Power, CPSE, Central Public Sector Enterprise, Central Public Sector Enterprise, CRAR, Capital to Risk Weight Asset Ratio, CRAR, Capital to Risk Weighted Asset Ratio, CRMD, Credit Risk Management Department, Credit Risk Management Department, CSE, Center for Science and Environment, CSE, Center for Science and Environment, CSO, Central Statistical Organization, CSO, Central Statistical Organization, CTS, Check Truncation System, CTS, Check Truncation System, DAPM, Department of Administration and Personnel Management, Department of Administration and Personnel Management, DAPM. Now, Deepam. DAVP, Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, DAPV, DAVP, DCCB, District Central Corporate Bank, Cooperative Bank, DCCB, District Central Cooperative Bank, District Central Cooperative Bank, DGBA, Department of Government and Bank Accounts, Department of Government and Bank Accounts, DGBA, DNBS, Department of Non-Banking Supervision, Department of Non-Banking Supervision, DPG, Deferred Payment Guarantee, DNBS, Department of Non-Banking Supervision, DGBA, Department of Government and Bank Accounts, DCCB, District Central Cooperative Bank, DPG, Deferred Payment Guarantee, DPSU, Defense Public Sector Undertaking, Defense Public Sector Undertakings, DRY, Disposable Real Income, DRI, EBIT, Earning Before Interest and Taxes, EBIT, Earning Before Interest and Taxes, EBITDA, EBITDA, or EBITDA, earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, EBITDA. ECB, external commercial borrowing, ECB, external commercial borrowing. EMBO, European Molecular Biology Organization, European Molecular Biology Organization. EMV, expected monetary value, expected monetary value. EPFO, Employee Provident Fund Organization, Employee Provident Fund Organization. FCA, Foreign Currency Asset, FCA, Foreign Currency Asset. FCCB, Foreign Currency Convertible Bond, Foreign Currency Convertible Bond. FEDAI, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA. FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, FICCI. FRBM, Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management, FRBM, Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management. FRL, Fiscal Responsibility Legislation, Fiscal Responsibility Legislation, FRL. FST, Financial Sector Technology, Financial Sector Technology. FTO, Foreign Trade Organization, Foreign Trade Organization, FTO. GATS, 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 General Agreement on Trade in Service, General Agreement on Trade in Services. GATT, GATT, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. GCDA, Greater Cochin Development Authority, Greater Cochin Development Authority. GIPSA, 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 General Insurer Public Sector Association of India, General Insurers Association of India Public Sector Insurers. GMS, Gold Monetization Scheme. GPEI, Global Polio Eradication Initiative, Global Polio Eradication Initiative, GPEI. GMS, Gold Monetization Scheme. GSDP, Gross State Domestic Product, Gross State Domestic Product, GSDP. HCU, Hyderabad Central University. HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited. HDFC. HRDD, Human Resource Development Department, Human Resource Development Department. HRM, Human Resource Management, Human Resource Management. IASTA, ISTA, International Agency for Solar Technology and Appliances, International Agency for Solar Technology and Application. IASTA. ICIJ, International Consortium of Investigative Journalists, International Consortium of Investigative Journalists. ICRA, ICRA, Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency, ICRA, Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency. IDRBT, Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology, Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology, IDRBT. IFAD, International Fund for Agriculture Development, International Fund for Agriculture Development. IFI, International Financial Institution, IFI, International Financial Institution. IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. IIBI, Industrial Investment Bank of India, IIBI, Industrial Investment Bank of India. IIFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. IIP, Index of Industrial Production, Index of Industrial Production. IMMT, Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, IMMT. IMPS, Immediate Mobile Payment System, Immediate Mobile Payment System, IMPS. IMT, Instant Money Transfer, Instant Money Transfer, IMT. INCOIS, INCOIS, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS. INTAC, INTACH, INTAC, Indian National Trust for Art and Culture Heritage, Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTAC. IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. IPPB, India Post Payment Bank, India Post Payment Bank, IPPB. IRRC, India Rapid Reaction Cell, India Rapid Reaction Cell, IRRC. ISA, International Solar Alliance, ISA. ISLRTC, Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, ISLRTC. ITDP, Institute for Transportation and Development Policy, Institute for Transportation and Development Policy. ITO, International Trade Organization. IVRS, Interactive Voice Response System, Interactive Voice Response System, IVRS. KYC, Know Your Customer. LIGO, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. MAT, Minimum Alternative Tax, MAT. MFDEF, Microfinance Development and Equity Fund, Microfinance Development and Equity Fund, MFDEF. MFSS, Mutual Fund Service System, Mutual Fund Service System. MIBOR, Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate, Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate. MIBOR, MIGA, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, MIGA. MMC, Money Market Certificate, MMC, Money Market Certificate. MMMF, Money Market Mutual Fund, Money Market Mutual Fund. MMRCA, Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft. This is a deal, MMRCA deal, Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft. MPC, Monetary Policy Committee. MRP, Marginal Revenue Product, Marginal Revenue Product. MTCR, Missile Technology Control Regime. Mudra, 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 Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. NABARD, NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NAV, NAV, Net Asset Value, Net Asset Value. NBC, Non-Banking Companies. NCGTC, National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company, NCGTC, National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company. NDMP, National Disaster Management Plan, NDMP, National Disaster Management Plan. NEFT, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. NFAI, National Film Archives of India, National Film Archive of India, National Film Archives of India. NFAI. NGRI, National Geophysical Research Institute, NGRI, National Geophysical Research Institute. NHB, National Housing Board. NHM, National Health Mission. NIIF, National Investment and Infrastructure Fund. National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, NMNH, National Museum of Natural History, National Museum of Natural History, NMNH, NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, NPS, National Pension Scheme, NSG, Nuclear Suppliers Group, NSSF, National Small Saving Fund, NTAGI, NTAGI, National Technology Advisory Group on Immunization, National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization, NTAGI, OICA, International Organization of Motor Vehicle Manufacturer, OICA, International Organization of Motor Vehicles Manufacturer, OMO, Open Market Operations, OTP, One Time Password, PACS, Primary Agricultural Credit Societies, Primary Agricultural Credit Societies, PACS, PHFI, Public Health Foundation of India, Public Health Foundation of India, PHFI, PMMY, PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PPF, Public Provident Fund, PPF, QIB, Qualified Institutional Buyers, Qualified Institutional Buyer, QIB, REER, Real Effective Exchange Rate, Real Effective Exchange Rate, RER, Real Exchange Rate, Real Exchange Rate, RIDF, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, RTGS, Real-time gross settlement system, real-time gross settlement system, RTGS. This is for the fund transfer. SAFAR is the index for air quality. SAFAR, System for Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research. This is an app for air quality, for checking the air quality of the atmosphere of a particular area. SAFAR, System for Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research. SAG, South Asian Games. SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, Securities and Exchange Commission. SERAC, Solar Energy Research Advisory Council, Solar Energy Research Advisory Council, SERAC. SFC, State Financial Corporation, State Financial Corporation, SFC. SGBS, Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme, Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme, SGBS. SGL, Subsidiary General Ledger, Subsidiary General Ledger, SGL. SIAM, SIAM, Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturer. SIAM, Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturer. SIDBI, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. Headquarters is at Lucknow. SIDBI. SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. SKU, Stock Keeping Unit, SKU, Stock Keeping Unit. SLR, Statutory Liquidity Ratio, Statutory Liquidity Ratio, SLR. SOFIA, SOFIA, Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, SOFIA. SPMRM, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Urban Mission, SPMRM, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Urban Mission. SWIFT, 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 Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. SWIFT is a code. Society for SWIFT is also a code for banking transfer for money transfer or fund transfer. Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, TADF, Technology Acquisition and Development Fund, Technology Acquisition and Development Fund, TADF, THAAD, 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 Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense. It is just like a S-400 missile defense system, THAAD, which is made by United States of America. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD. TSR, Total Shareholder Return, TSR. Uday, Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana, Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana, Uday. Uday bond is also issued by the Government of India for the distribution companies of the electricity. ULIP, Unit Linked Insurance Plan, ULIP, Unit Linked Insurance Plan. UPIN, Unique Property Identification Number, Unique Property Identification Numbers, UPIN, Unique Property Identification Numbers. USB, Ultra Small Branch, USB. WCTL, Working Capital Term Loan, WCTL, Working Capital Term Loan. WLL, with limited liability, WLL with limited liability. WPI, Wholesale Price Index, WPI, Wholesale Price Index. Thank you very much.